Hello gems and welcome to my channel Creative Catch of Life. In this video we are going to make a new school project, namely Happy Earth and Sad Earth, in which we will show activities causing the earth to be happy and sad. As you can see how the project finally looks like. Let's start with the process. First we will take a cardboard which I got from a piece of new bedsheet. You can see how rough it is. Now, take a chart paper and make 2 big circles and 12 small circles on it. Now we will make that bigger circle on the cardboard and 6 small circles surrounding it. Now, the catch here is, we will paste the circles on both sides of the cardboard so as to show happiness and sadness opposite to each other. Next, paste the happy face earth and related activities on one side. Join the circles and cut it using a cutter. After cutting, bring out the real shape of the project. These are the activities of Happy Earth and Sad Earth. My daughters have colored them wrongly. I will have to save them. So let's start. The first one is save water. The second one is use dustbin wittily. Third one is plant and save trees. Fourth one is use solar energy. The fifth one is save electricity and turn off the lights when not in use. Now the activities for Sad Earth are throwing garbage in the landfill and rivers. The second one is pollution from the vehicles. The third one is killing animals. And this fourth one is factory pollution. Fifth one is cutting trees. And in the last 6th circle, I am writing out the name of the project maker. Now attaching the string
on the top of the project so that it can rotate easily. This is string I removed from one of my dress.
देखो पापा, देखो कैसे काम आ रहा है। आप केले को फेंक दो। इसको कैंची से काटते हैं तो पूरा टूट जाता है। नीचे से जाके पेंटिंग कलर्स लेके आओ। मैं आपको कह रही हूँ।